I want you to meet my sidekick, my duck. He lights up at a touch. Gets really, really bright. You get to press his bottom and make him light up. He's not only good as a bit of a fidget toy or as a lamp. You know what he's really good at? I can put him anywhere to light my videos better. Now, yes, I've got my ring light, I've got my side light. At the moment I'm looking a little creepy Halloweenish with him down here. But he's portable, he's cute, he makes me smile, and I can place him wherever I need a bit of extra light. Easy. He's one of my sidekicks. And if your sidekick can make you smile, big win. How much better is it coming to work every day if you're surrounded by things or people that aren't just useful, but that make you smile too? See you tomorrow.